In this video I show you the pattern blouse with a fold. The first thing to do is to remove the darts. Close the shoulder darts. After we closed the shoulder darts, we open the darts by 2 centimeters. These 2 centimeters are cut from the armhole line. We cut 3 centimeters from the side. Now the pattern without darts. Divide the shoulder line into 3 equal parts. We also need a piece of paper. Draw a line from the bottom of the armhole. From the second point along the shoulder line through the center, draw a line. Draw several parallel lines. The last line should start from the bottom of the armhole and go down to the center. Cut off the unwanted parts. Cut each line. Width between cut lines 6 centimeters. Draw check marks. We make folds on the fabric.